Here's a Viper remote start installed on a 2007 Mazda 5. Here is the remote lock, unlock, remote start, full security. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system. Flashing lights, honking horn, siren. This is the box to the system that was installed, made by Viper. I'm going to reach in, unlock the door. There you can see that the remote is beeping and letting us know that the door has been opened. Now the remote start, we push the remote start button, flashes the lights, cranks the engine. We have Viper remote start in stock and ready to go for most vehicles here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. 2007 Mazda 5. See you guys on the next one.